students, class 3, English, unit number 2, lesson 4, page number is 10. Topic name is conjunctions. First of all, we have to discuss the word conjunctions. Conjunctions means a words that holds clauses and sentences together. वो अल्फाज जो दो जुमलों को आपस में जोड़े रखें उनको हम conjunctions कहते हैं. Let's start the chapter. In question number 1, match the column. There are two parts, column A and column B. There is a one example for us. Let's read it. Tinny horse collected some straw and built a straw house. स्ट्रॉ हम कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं एक स्ट्रॉ हाउस बनाने के लिए. स्ट्रॉ मीन तिनके और तिनको वाला घर. इट्स मीन कि इन दोनों को कलेक्ट किया गया, स्ट्रॉ को कलेक्ट किया गया स्ट्रॉ हाउस बनाने के लिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट लाइन नंबर 1. टिनी हॉर्स वोक अप बिकॉज द हाउस वॉज शाउटिंग. लाइन नंबर 2. द वुल्फ ब्लू डाउन द स्ट्रॉ हाउस बट टिनी हॉर्स एस्केप्ड, बच गए. Line number 3, the gods needed a stronger house, so they built one of bricks. Line number 4, the wolf blew at the brick house but couldn't blow it down. Okay students, now format your notebook, draw a margin line. At the top of the page, you have to write unit number 2, lesson 4 and page number. Now write down question number 1, match the column, and after this you have to write complete sentence after matching the column. Now come to the question number 2, join the pairs of sentences with so or because. There are two examples for us. कुछ जुमले ऐसे हैं जिनको रीड करने के बाद हमें पता चलेगा कि वहाँ पे हमसे रीज़न मांगी गई है, तो वहाँ पे हम क्योंकि का लफ्ज़ लिखेंगे. और कुछ जुमले ऐसे होंगे जिनमें हमने सो का वर्ड ऐड करना होगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट. लाइन नंबर 1, शॉर्ट हॉर्न्स वेंट टू द स्टोर. ही वांटेड टू बाय सम ब्रिक्स. वो क्यों गए? बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू बाय सम ब्रिक्स. सेंटेंस नंबर 2, ही डिडंट बाय एनी ब्रिक्स देयर because they were too expensive. Sentence number 3, at the bricks factory they were much cheaper, so he bought 500. Sentence number 4, he borrowed a cart because there were so many bricks. Sentence number 5, but he couldn't pull the cart because it was too heavy. Sentence number 6, he ran to get longhorns and tinny horns because he needed help. Sentence number 7, they were afraid of the wolf, so after writing so we put the comma. They built their house very quickly. Sentence number 8, they didn't like smoky houses, so they put a chimney in the roof. Okay, after completing the question number 2, we have to move to the question number 3. Punctuate this passage with the helping of these words and, but, so, because. A sleepless night. There is a paragraph. We have to put these words which are given in the box. I को पहले सबसे पहले आपने कैपिटल करना है. I was sleeping well because was dreaming about the wolf. In the story, put the full stop. After full stop, we have to write first letter capitals. Suddenly, I woke up and heard a noise outside the house. It का I capital करेंगे. It sounded like the big wolf. At first, I was afraid. So के बाद कोमा. I didn't get out of bed. I tried to get to sleep again, but I couldn't. Then I heard the noise again. So I got out of bed and went to the window. I looked out of the window, but I couldn't see anything. Then I saw an animal under the trees. It wasn't a wolf, but because its tail was longer. than a wolf tail. Suddenly it ran up the tree and I saw it was a monkey. I went back to bed and went to sleep.